Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
The steps that are needed to find out the actual width of a xylem vessels. So when you know you are supposed to find out actual size, is definitely the unit is in micrometer and is using a calibrated eyepiece reticle. So which of the following step is correct? So first one, we know that to convert mm to micrometer, we need to multiply by 1000, which is equivalent to 10 to the power of 3. So not 10 to the power of negative 3. So this statement is wrong. Second statement, calibrate the eyepiece reticle using a stage micrometer on a ×4 objective lens. Calibrate is correct, but not using ×4 objective lens because the question is viewing the xylem under ×10 of objective lens. Then the next one, so this statement is also wrong. Measure the width of the xylem vessel using an eyepiece reticle is correct because you need to find out the number of eyepiece reticle unit occupied by the eyepiece reticle. Then knowing the number of eyepiece reticle division, we will find out the size by multiplying with the calibrated eyepiece reticle. So we have the number of division multiplied by the value of each eyepiece reticle unit. That's how you get your actual cell size. So the correct answer will be 3 and 4.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.